applying character formatting. First of all, let's know about how to change font and font size. First of all, you have to select the area you want to format. The text you want to format, you have to select it, and come here, Home tab, Font panel. The first box which appear here, also with Control Shift F, it's called fonts. Inside this, if you click, you see lots of types of fonts. As per your desire, you can change your font. For example, you select this one. Next one is size of font. You can also select your desired size from this column. Control plus brackets left, or Control plus brackets right for decreasing. For more on formatting, you can come to this group of buttons, expand it, and a dialog box will appear. Here it gives lots of options. All text, font, Latin text, you can select here font style, size, complex script, all text, effects, and much more. Here it will show the review how will your text appear after formatting. Next is paragraph formatting. So again, Home tab, paragraph group or paragraph panel. Here you have lots of options. This is called the show and hide button. If you show it, so it will show the paragraph and all non-printing material, or if you click again, it will hide them. Alignment of paragraph. When you want to align a paragraph, you select that paragraph. You have selected your paragraph, so come here. This is called align left. Shortcut is Control plus L. It's already align left, so we leave it. This is called aligned center. Control E. When we press it, it will align center like that. Next is align right, and next is justify. From justify, here you can use any one you want as per your desire, how you justify it. So it's given lots of options. Here these two buttons are called indentation. Decrease the indent, and when this, you increase the indent. Let's proceed. For example, you see, if you click, if you select a paragraph, the whole paragraph will indent it. Next is line spacing. With this, you can increase and decrease line spacing or paragraph spacing. The amount how much you want to increase or decrease line spacing of bullets, and numbering. So with this, for example, you see here we have given numbers to our paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so select your headlines of paragraph or sub headline of your paragraphs. So here you come here, and anything you want to give, it will hide. Next is tabs. Viewing the ruler. Ruler is important to be visible. To working with tabs, go to View menu, and here you see the check box. Check it. The ruler will appear. Okay, let's go and open a new document. Control N, and here at the right corner you see it shows you to select your tab. So from there you can select your tab. When you have selected your tab, click anywhere on the ruler you want that your text should start from. After you clicked it, press tab. Whenever you press tab, your cursor will jump to that position, and from that position you can start your typing or writing. This one is called the left tab. We have selected the left tab. The left tab means text start from the left and flow to the right side. With tab practicing, you can also select other tabs like center or right, and these all things you can only achieve by practicing. Okay, come to the right tab. It's the same. You have selected, and you also click from where you want to start your text. Do not forget, you have to also select text right from left at the top of paragraph menu. And another is center tab, and you select the center tab, and where you want your center to be, click just right there on the ruler and start your typing. Do not forget, whenever you're starting your typing, you have to press tab key in your keyboard, and after that start your typing, and it will be activated and your typing will be started from your desired area. To view tab, here at the top or in the paragraph panel, you see the hide and show button. You have to press or activate the hide and show button that your tab should appear on screen.